Grabe ang nilalaro ngayon ni Jalen Green. Nag-average si Jalen Green ng 20.4 points per game at ang Houston Rockets ay may 25 wins and 12 losses. Ito, panoodin nyo ang isang highlights ni Jalen Green.
I search to find the love within. I came back to let you know, got a thing for you, and I can't let go.